Now let's open our picture and we will see that here we have a hole. This one here. So we want to add to sketch this hole. So let's go to the sketch 1. Let's go edit sketch. Let's go normal 2. Let's create a circle here. Like this. Let's go with diameter 8 millimeters. Like this. It's not 100% accurate, but it's concentric with this center point arc here. Now let's exit sketch. And here we have a hole as well. Now let's see our picture. And if we zoom in, we can see that here we have some hole. And now we're going to create this hole. So let's go to the sketch 1. Let's go edit sketch. Let's go normal 2. Like this. Let's go here and let's choose center rectangle. Let's create something like this. Let's click OK. Let's go to Smart Dimensions. Let's put here a dimension 6 millimeters. And let's put here a dimension 0.7 millimeters. Like this. And let's click OK. Let's exit sketch. Now here we have a hole that goes through all, and this is not what we want. So let's go to Boss Extrude. Let's go edit sketch. Let's go here to selected contours. Now let's go normal 2. Like this. Let's choose this hole here. Let's choose the other contour, the bigger sketch, this one. Let's click OK. And now we don't have this hole. Now we want to create another feature using this hole. But now here in the sketch 2 we have some errors. So let's go edit sketch. Let's go normal 2. Now if we go closer, here we can see that we have a yellow point. We see that this coincidence is not valid. So let's delete this one. Now let's drag this line again. Let's position it here. So the point will jump exactly to this vertex. Like this, and now we have defined a new coincident. Let's click OK. Let's exit sketch. And now errors are gone. Now we're going to create a new feature by using the sketch that we have created previously, the rectangle here. So let's select sketch 1. Let's go to features. Let's choose Extruded Cut. Like this. Let's go normal 2. Now let's go here to selected contours. Let's delete the sketch 1. Now let's only choose inside of this contour. Like this. Only this sketch region. Now let's change the start condition. Let's go here. Let's go with the surface. Let's choose this face here. Like this. Let's go with the depth 0.1 millimeter. Like this. Let's click OK. And now we got this one here. And now as you can see, we use the same sketch for two different features. Boss Extrude 1 and Cut Extrude 2. So we didn't have to create additional sketch. Now we want to mirror this to other side. This one here. So let's go to the features. Let's choose mirror. Let's choose mirror face plane. Let's go with the top. Let's go features to mirror and let's choose Cut Extrude 2. This one. And let's check geometry pattern. Like this. Now we can see the preview. Let's click OK. And here we have a cut on the other side.